So magandang araw Kabola. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin Kabola ang atin pong top trade assets sa paningin po natin dito nga po sa mga teams po na eliminate lang. Of course, NLEX Kabola. Sa amin na natin ito pong Northport and of course ito pong Terra Firma Kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Before we go there Kabola, pag-usapan nga muna natin, there's some interesting comments Kabola in one of our most recent video. Sabi po na Ale Torre Eluza, pwede na siguro makikitang maging all-star na MBBL, gagawing one team sa BBA, tapos syempre dependent team, kaya balik ang team ng Alaska, sabi dito Kabola. Of course, that is not possible. That's another professional league po, hindi naman sila D-League lang Kabola o Division 2 po ng PBA. Sabi naman ni Choya Kain, wow, may MBBL ka na boss, galing yan, para naman maiba. Yes Kabola, we also talk na po about MPBL kasi dumadami na rin ng fans like it or not Kabola, dumadami na po ang following ng MPBL. And then of course Sir Ronald Berbusitan, nagpapa shout out, our Mr. Shout out, thank you po sa continuous support sir. And then of course there are other news po na worth it pag-usapan. Ang una nga po dyan is wala na pong iba kundi ito pong news Kabola, sinabi po ni Coach Cardel yung mga gusto niya Kabola na mangyari after nga po nitong surprising quarterfinals appearance po nila. Sabi niya ay he's hoping Kabola that the management will keep the core Kabola. Actually hindi na naman siya yung nag-hope nagkikip po ng management ng core. Of course nag-hope din Kabola ito pong mga fans po ng PBA Kabola, nagkikip po ng management ng Terra Firma itong kanilang core kasi pinakita na nga nila this core can win Kabola, diba? They can compete Kabola. And of course, Kabola, maganda rin dito na sinabi niya that they are planning or if possible, mag-add pa po sila during this draft, Kabola. Diba? So, if they want to develop the team through the draft, wala namang problema doon, Kabola. And of course, that is actually a good way to develop a team, especially with their team. They have a very young team, Kabola. With Go, with Xavi out there, Kabola. They now have another high pick coming, so they just need to use them, do not trade them, and they can develop something here Kabola. And then of course may comment dito si Coach Yeng Giao regarding sa kung ano dapat gawin po ng PBA or nung need talaga ng PBA. Sabi niya they need more of pakbakan, rat-ratan game tulad nung last game nga nila against TNT dun sa quarterfinals Kabola. And I do agree with this, pero the main point here is not really more about the rakrakan The PBA fans just want to have games na unpredictable, that they cannot really say kung sino pong mananalo, diba? Hindi tulad ng kapag naglaban yung mga farm teams sa SMC teams, alam na agad kung sino mananalo, or kahit pa maglalaban independent teams against an SMC team, alam na or sino ang expected na mananalo kasi sobrang layo po ng diferensya in terms of firepower Kabola. So ito na, pag-usapan natin yung mga top trade assets po ng Terra Firma, NLEX at ito nga pong Northport Kabola. Again, when you say top trade assets, ito po yung klase po na player or pick Kabola that they can trade, and if we look at and assess is they will get something of a good net positive gain Kabola by trading them. For NLEX, for me, it will be Kevin Alas. Of course, it's kind of a bad way if we think about it kasi of course injury ngayon to si Kevin Alas, pero let's think about it, diba? Alas has been injury prone. Unfortunately, I do not think he can forever be healthy for 2 to 3 seasons straight Kabola. Mahirap ng pangarabin yan. So for me, if NLEX wants to, they can actually maximize his name value, his past credentials Kabola, and get a good return for him, especially a big man. They badly need that. Northport, Will Lavaro, pangit ng performance niya in this Philippine Cup. I don't know why. Maybe there's an issue with him playing with a lot of other versatile players. Doon ata siya nawawala Pag maraming pareho niyang versatile pa nawawala yung role niya Kabola, nawawala siya dun sa role niya, hindi niya mahanap yung role niya. So maybe Northport mas better na i-maximize na po nila yung hype pa po dito sa pangalan niya na naretira and get something that they need, either a big man or a point guard. For Terra Firma, I think they need to trade that first round pick. Yes, I know that Cardel, pag nag-usapan lang natin, is saying na gamitin yung draft for getting or improving the team, but if they can trade it to get something in a fair trade po Kabola, fair exchange Kabola, either another big man, pero sa akin siguro a forward type like a Jason Perkins, ganun Kabola, someone who can actually make their roster, their lineup Kabola, the rotation malleable. So, yan yung ating deck and target. Kababal sa palagay mo. So, yung top 3 assets po ng tatlong team na to. Kami na po sa baba.